Race number 2. Gates open, they're off. And racing, Pierce and Fiery draws for your lead. Right behind in second, Grace Park Boy, Market Value. Then moving up, yes, I'm the one, runner number 2, High Money and Game Changer in between runners. Yes, I'm the one comes next, then followed by Shoemaker. Is sneaking in down on the inside. His Lady Wants to Know Whistler, followed by Papa Ethan, yes, yes, yes. Then next in line, Cheese Blanca, and trailing the group is Chichi's Eyes. Rounding towards the 600, Pierce and Fiery, followed now by yes, 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 Grace Park Boy racing in third, moving up by Daryl High Money, Game Changer Shoemaker, also closing in as the action turns for home with Pierce and Fiery still leading the field, followed by yes, yes, yes in second. High Money is by Daryl Shoemaker, and down the stretch and leading the finish line. Pierce and Fiery still leading the field. Yes, yes, yes is on the outside. Shoemaker now in third with 75 meters. Jonathan Uno Hernandez on Pierce and Fiery. Yes, 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 Shoemaker. Then comes Lady Wants to Know High Money for your